everyone, this is Kasha. I'm feeling artsy and today we're gonna draw the Santa emoji. You will need a piece of paper and a pencil to do that, and then something to color him with. I've used markers. We're gonna begin by drawing his head, and to do that we are going to draw a big oval and make it wide, and don't press too hard. This is going to be our guideline, so some of it will get erased later. But make it wide. Correct yourself until you get a pretty good one, and erase whatever you don't need. Okay, now we're going to find the middle of our oval by drawing a line like this, and that's where his eyes will be. So from this line you're going to go up in a U-like shape, and you're going to do it 2 times for both of his eyes. I'm going to make them about the same size, and you want to make this about the same size like the eyes. I'm going to widen my oval a little bit here. Okay. Now the bottoms of his eyes are like very stretched out U's, so they're just like these curved lines. And then his irises and his pupils are circles, so inside of here we are going to draw circles. 1 circle for the brown part for the iris, and a second circle for the black part. And inside this we have the light speckle, and you're going to draw an oval like this. And you will do it in both eyes. So a circle inside the eye, and a second circle inside the big circle, and then the oval for the iris. Now above his eyes he's got eyebrows, so you will draw a curved line and then go up and draw a second parallel line, and again a curve, turn in, and then connect these lines. His nose is also an oval. It goes down below between his eyes, and it's pretty big. Now let's draw his hat. So above his eyebrows we're going to draw a line across like this, and then go up on both sides and draw a second line across. Now to make it fuzzy like that, you just want to draw a couple lines here and there. Now the top of his head, from here, like right outside of the oval, you will go up at the diagonal, and you turn in, and you will slope down all the way down to the hat. And then you can erase these parts of the oval because you no longer see them, now they're inside the hat. Now on this side he's got his pom-pom, so from the side of the white part you're gonna draw a line down that will end with a circle, and then connect it back to his face. Now on each side he's got the beard, so inside the oval you will draw a curved line like this that will come in, and same thing on the other side, a curved line that will come in. Now let's do his mustache. So under his nose you will draw a curve down like this, and then make a turn in a tip and come back out to where his mouth will be. Don't go all the way to the nose, just go under the nose like this. And now do the same thing on the other side. So curve down. Now do a big curve into a tip and go back out until you have met. So these 2 lines will meet. His mouth is just like a U shape, and then he's got a bottom lip. He also has 2 pieces of skin that stick out here, and there are 2 more used. And then the outside of his beard pretty much follows the oval that you had drawn with in the very beginning of this video. You may want to curve it a little bit. And the last final thing is his ears, and they're on the same line as his eyes. So one on this side and one on this side. Okay, my Santa is done. The sketch is done. I'm gonna color him. I'm gonna outline him with the black marker first. Then I'm gonna erase the pencil lines with my eraser to make it all look cleaner. And I'm gonna use 5 different color markers. I'm gonna use yellow for his face and also orange for some of the shading. I'm gonna use red for the hat, and I'm gonna use 2 colors of brown for his mouth and his eyes. Okay, let's begin coloring. You can use the same supplies I'm using, or you can use crayons. You can also use paint or colored pencils. Okay, my Santa emoji is done. Make sure to give me thumbs up, subscribe, and come back soon. We're gonna draw some more Christmas stuff.